Hey there, pioneers! In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock the Dermal Garden Biomod in Subnautica 2. Alright, to get the Biomod, you are going to need to scan a needler mango. Now, for you to find this critter, you have to go in the southeast direction from the alien ruins. While going there, make use of these hoops right here to give you a boost to make it faster to reach your destination. A little bit of a warning, the needler mangoes are highly aggressive to you and will attack you with their needles that will be shot at from a distance. To avoid getting reprinted, stay in your tadpole and let the tadpole take the brunt of its attacks. And just scan it while it's occupied. If it swims away, you can chase it. And there you go. The needler mango is fully scanned. And now you have the Dermal Garden Biomod. When you equip this Biomod, this will start producing edible algae on your body. From my testing, it takes about 3 minutes and 30 seconds for the algae to be produced and sent into your inventory. If you consume this, it will give you 5 hunger points in return, which, to be honest with you, is completely useless, because the weight alone made me lose 10 hunger points, which is a net negative of 5. And that's about it on how to unlock Dermal Garden Biomod in Subnautica 2.